Oklahoma is currently one of many states that is facing a higher housing rate and an increase of homeless cases. Unless Oklahoma can open the door to change, many families and their children will continue to face hardship in an effort to survive. This is why I propose that Oklahoma should adopt a low-income housing program, one that may be similar to the St. John Housing Partnership based in Florida, in an effort to provide safe and affordable housing in order to lower our homeless rate in our state. According to an article by the Problem Solvers for Channel 2 News, the executive director of Housing Solutions, Becky Glico, stated that even before the pandemic, homelessness was taking its toll on the community. And due to the high eviction rates and an alarming lack of affordable housing, Tulsa had the 11th highest eviction rate in the country. The city of Tulsa does go on to confirm Glico's statement and reported that according to the report given by the Princeton Eviction Lab, an estimated 12,000 evictions were filed per month before the pandemic compared to the 700 per month that were filed in 2021. The U.S. Interagency Council on Homelessness reported that as of January 2020, an estimated 3,932 were reported to be facing homelessness in Oklahoma. Of those reported, 255 were family households, 325 were veterans, 290 were unaccompanied young adults between the ages of 18 and 24, and the remaining 1,128 were individuals who had been experiencing chronic homelessness. Tyler Parrott, the director of Outreach for Housing Solutions, goes on to state in the article that homelessness is going to take every person in the community to partner together in an effort to best serve the most vulnerable in our community. In September 2020, the CDC did issue a moratorium in an effort to help most evictions for non-payment of rent. The moratorium was set to expire in December 2020, but was extended until July 2021. Most renters were unable to meet the required qualifications, and some of them simply were unaware that the help existed at the time. But overall, the moratorium did see a dramatic drop in evictions. When the moratorium lifted in July 2021, tens of thousands of Oklahomans remained at risk of eviction. 81,000 Oklahoman renters were behind on rent, owing a combined amount of $150 million. With that being said, this is again why I propose that Oklahoma, Tulsa specifically, should adopt a nonprofit organization, again, similar to the St. John Housing Partnership in Florida, to provide safe and affordable housing in an effort to lower the homeless rate in our state. Now, the St. John Housing Partnership that's in Florida works to provide safe and affordable housing in North Florida. They do so by working together with private and public sectors in an effort to lower the homeless in their area by providing safe and affordable housing. They also get together and provide funding to help thousands of Floridan families, and have been doing so for the past 15 years. Now, we have something similar in Tulsa known as the Family Promise of Tulsa. They provide essentials such as rent, food, and transportation in an effort to help families save the required 85% of their income from their jobs for their future forever home. The agency also ensures that families have all of the necessary paperwork and required documents to be successful, such as birth certificates and IDs. Now, this nonprofit organization does not provide physical homes for the families, but they do focus on ways to help them save on other areas where they could be struggling. Although the moratorium provided a small ounce of relief, Oklahoma's homelessness rate showed little to no signs of slowing or stopping. The mission of the Family Promise of Tulsa is promising, but I believe that if they further adopt principles similar to those of the St. John's Housing Partnership, it could lead to even more successful results. I believe that following in St. John's mission of providing safe and affordable housing could further push the chances of lowering our homelessness rate and for Tulsans to find their forever homes. In addition to providing the physical homes, This could be the ticket to end homelessness in the Tulsa area and eventually in Oklahoma overall.